Searching for helpful information on snoring? Look below. If you live with someone who snores, or if you snore yourself, you know how irritating it can be. Snoring is usually more of a problem for those who try to sleep through it, but it can cause problems for the snorer too. The following tips will help you find ways to solve the problem. Changing sleeping positions can help stop snoring. Lying on your back could cause your head to tilt too far back or forward, resulting in an obstruction of your airway. Sleeping on the side is easier, less straining on the neck, and it reduces snoring. Steer clear of alcoholic beverages to help calm snoring. Alcohol can relax your jaw and throat muscles too much, allowing them to slip back. This can make for noisy snoring. Alcohol has also been shown to add to a sometimes deadly disease known as sleep apnea, so steer clear to stay healthy. Ironically, if you take sleeping pills, you can end up snoring, so if you don't take them, you reduce your risk of snoring. Sleeping pills relax your body, and that includes your muscles. This includes the muscles that help keep your sinuses and airways open, leading to a restricted breathing passage. So you'll wind up snoring because of this. Any kind of depressant may make your snoring worse than it would be if you did not ingest them. Some examples of substances you should avoid if you worried about snoring are alcohol, tranquilizers, sleeping pills, and certain antihistamines. All of these will relax your muscles and make snoring a problem. The informational tips listed above can help you get back to healthy sleep patterns. Consider trying one or more of them and you can begin to feel more energetic and less irritable. There is no doubt that your significant other will also appreciate the peaceful nights that are sure to follow. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.